In this video, I'll be answering your most requested questions. I'm sorry, I don't do this on purpose. Will the Quest 3 have performance issues? It's no secret that the Quest 3 is getting major upgrades when it comes to performance. The Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chip will deliver double the graphics, handling higher resolution. The Quest 2 definitely saw some frame rate issues from time to time, and some people are concerned that this device will eventually do the same. Perhaps it will as games become more graphically demanding and power hungry. However, it is up to the game studios and developers to utilize this technology and optimize their games. Game studios and developers do an unholy amount of testing in their games to make sure that they perform well on the devices they're selling it on. In turn, good player experiences equal more people buying their games. Having this new XR2 Gen 2 chip allows developers additional freedom that they didn't have in the Quest 2 to make their games look better and perform better. If it's capable of running Quest 2 games with no problem, then the Quest 3 will be able to handle these games in my expectations for the next 4 to 5 years at least. Quickly before the next question, we'll be doing a Quest 3 giveaway here on this channel for one lucky subscriber, so make sure that you're subscribed with notifications on so you don't miss out. Can I play Quest 2 games on my Quest 3? To keep this answer short and sweet, absolutely you can. All the games on the Quest 2 are accessible on the Quest 3. It's a major selling point for them to advertise that they have 500 plus games on launch. Not only will all those games be buyable, playable, and downloadable, as we discussed in the last video, without game studios doing a graphical update, they will automatically look so much sharper due to the pancake lenses and naturally higher resolution on the 1x scale. Are the Quest 3 accessories worth buying? When it comes to VR accessories, we need to see them as a convenience. The convenience of docking your device and controllers to charge them. Convenience of transporting your device without damaging it via the carry case. Things like the Elite Strap and the Elite Strap with battery, I think are essential upgrades for comfort and battery life. But again, it's the convenience of having that extra comfort or longer play sessions. A lot of these accessories, you can get it from third-party companies at like 1/4 of the price. Official Meta licensed accessories, of course, feel premium, but so does the price point. It's the equivalent of buying a case from the Apple store when you know you can get it 70% cheaper on Amazon. It's super cool to see them having open minds and changing up colors and allowing you to purchase different colors. And it's definitely a way for them to try and compete with Apple's market. Of course, the colors are personal preference, but it's still pricey nonetheless. Should you pre-order or purchase now or wait for Black Friday or Christmas sales? And I want to get one thing clear for you right now. If you're expecting this device to have a serious price drop, then I think you're going to be incredibly disappointed. It's typical with new devices like this releasing, especially close to Black Friday and Christmas, that the prices aren't expected to drop. However, to increase their sales, companies might offer you extra accessories for free or discounted, or even free games. I'm actually going to be in Chicago the entirety of November, but I'll be keeping my eye out and posting right here some of the best deals that I've seen for the Quest 3. However, if you're like me and you're super excited to get your hands on the Quest 3, right now pre-orders comes with Asgard's Wrath 2, the 512GB model, comes with a 6-month subscription of Quest Plus. So the decision ultimately comes down to you. Is the battery life good on the Quest 3? In the last video, we spoke about the controllers and their battery life, but when it comes to the Quest 3 headset itself, it's going to require a lot more power compared to the Quest 2. With graphics becoming more demanding and higher resolutions, it's no secret that it's going to drain more battery life. One thing that Snapdragon and other portable processor companies focus on is how much performance they can deliver whilst using as much power as possible. Take the M series chip from Apple. It was groundbreaking just how great it actually was. It gave so much performance whilst having a really low power consumption, which is why their Macs and iPads have insanely good battery life. So yes, it is more demanding, but this is what these companies focus on. Meta claims that this device has the exact same battery life as the Quest 2, which is pretty great considering the graphics and resolution increase. If the same chip and system was implemented on the Quest 2, the Quest 2's battery life would be way higher. So the battery in the Quest 3 is going to last you about about 2 to 3 hours. And then with the Elite Strap battery accessory, you're probably looking at about 4 to 5 hours. How comfortable is the Meta Quest 3? Everybody who's tried the device has said how much better it feels on the face. The Quest 2 leaves a lot of people with the panda outline. The Quest 3 doesn't really seem to have that issue due to the size being a lot smaller and weight distribution not putting so much force on the front of your face. Also, the strap that comes with the Quest 3 is no longer a reverse mohawk, but more like a peace sign, which will give greater support at holding up the device overall on your head. Overall, it is a better strap design compared to the Quest 2 strap design, but I would still recommend an Elite strap or a third-party accessory. Now, I don't know about you, but here's a cursed image of Quest 3 with the Apple Vision Pro's back strap. How do we feel about this? Leave it in the comments. Is mixed reality actually worth it on the Quest 3? Mixed reality is an incredibly unique and awesome experience. The world of sci-fi, space, and futuristic movies have dreamed of having holograms and experiences like this for years. And it is awesome. Creating a digital virtual version within your reality, having it in your physical world is definitely the direction the future is going for technology. With the Apple Vision Pro kind of solidifying this fact, really shows that a lot of companies are putting their focus into this technology. Why would you need a physical smartphone when you can have a pair of glasses that you can interact with in your 3D space? You could have a virtual phone. With that being said, we are in the very early stages of AR and mixed reality, and it's certainly come a long way since the Quest 2. The major advancements that we've seen in the Quest 3 and the Quest Pro is the ability to track your room and scan items like your couch and your bed or TV. The only issue is, right now, every AR game or mixed reality game just feels like a giant tech demo. There's no tangible, replayable games that make people want to go and purchase this device immediately. But I think the important thing here is, again, we are in the early stages of this. Now that the Quest 3 is about, the price has dropped for consumers, it's gonna make so many more developers and game studios take advantage of these experiences. They can even alter their currently existing game and add mixed reality game modes, similar to what we've seen with what they're doing on Stranger Things. It reminds me of when the iPhone first dropped. It was incredible with very limited features, but right now we use smartphones for absolutely everything. Hopefully that answers some of your questions about the Quest 3. Subscribe for more VR and mixed reality news. We have another video dropping tomorrow, so leave any questions that you have in the comments. I appreciate you, much love, and peace. Also, just a quick note, guys, if you're into Call of Duty or you want to see me play some of these VR and AR games, I stream nearly every day over on kick.com/Lordsi, or you can click the link in the description.